Cadence wants to be a gas station worker.
Next up, Isaac C. When Isaac grows up, he wants to work at McDonald's.
Aiden would like to be a grown-up because he wants a girlfriend.
Sammy Boyer just wants to do what my mom says.
CJ wants to be a Waffle House worker.
Oh my God.
What is your full name?
Leslie Raylan Cook.
And what do you want to be when you grow up?
A witch.
Aria